Hello everyone, I'm Jared Hall. It's Monday, February 3rd, 2025. Welcome to the week ahead. The S&P index gave up about 1% last week amid worries about competition in the technology sector from China's DeepSeek language model and the Trump administration's tariff plans. Sector performance for the week was split, with 5 sectors holding gains and 6 declining. Technology declined the most, while communication services improved after positive earnings held up numerous names in this sector. Last week, we saw earnings from big tech that were a mixed bag, as well as the release of the Fed's preferred inflationary gauge come in on target. The PCE index printed 0.3% month over month for December, leading to the Fed maintaining its policy rate stance at 4.25 to 4.5% as expected. The Fed did, however, notate in their statement that inflation remained elevated and removed a portion of their statement about making, quote, progress on the inflation reduction process. Treasury rates ticked up slightly after the pause by the Fed. Friday, after the market closed, White House Press Secretary Carolyn Leavitt said President Donald Trump will begin implementing a 25% tariff on Mexico and Canada and a 10% tariff on China on Saturday. The futures markets gyrated wildly over the weekend before leading to a broad market sell-off this Monday morning. That leads us into this week, where the market will be digesting more earnings. In fact, more than half of the S&P 500 constituents are set to release their fourth quarter reports this week. Economic data will feature January employment numbers, with ADP's private sector employment report on Wednesday and the government's non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate due Friday. Based on this morning's market reaction to tariffs, our key theme of increased volatility continues to play out. The volatility index spiked up to 20 again this morning, up more than 20% in a day, while the S&P 500 quickly drifted downward back below its 50-day moving average. Check out this chart again on the index for perspective on where we were just a few weeks ago. That's all for this week. Be sure to follow along with us for more content like this.